Your Mac is powerful, but what if it could be smarter? Meet Perplexity AI, the ultimate tool for instant answers, smarter workflows, and organized thoughts, all at your fingertips. In this video, I'll show you how to install, use, and master Perplexity AI to supercharge your productivity and get more done faster. Whether you're working, studying, or just managing your day, this is the game-changing tool you've been waiting for. Let's jump in. First, let's understand what Perplexity AI actually does. It's like a personal assistant for your Mac, but much smarter. Scenario 1. Need to summarize a 10-page document? Paste it into Perplexity AI, and in seconds, it gives you the key points. Scenario 2. Can't figure out why your Mac isn't connecting to Wi-Fi? Ask it, and it'll guide you through troubleshooting steps. Scenario 3. Working on a project and need research from multiple sources? It provides accurate, concise answers without you needing to sift through dozens of links. Unlike traditional search engines, Perplexity AI focuses on delivering clear, direct answers instead of overwhelming you with options. Let's look at the specific features that make Perplexity AI an essential tool for macOS users. Instant answers. Example: imagine you're working on a school project about climate change. Ask, what are the top 3 contributors to global warming? Instead of getting long articles, Perplexity AI gives a quick, actionable response. Contextual conversations. It remembers your previous questions. For instance, user, what is the population of New York? AI, 8.8 million. User, what about Los Angeles? AI understands the context and replies 3.9 million. Seamless macOS integration. Use a global shortcut like Command plus space to activate it. No need to switch tabs or stop what you're doing. Example: editing a document in Pages? Trigger Perplexity AI to clarify formatting tips without leaving the app. Privacy settings. You control what's shared. For professionals handling sensitive data, this is invaluable. Example: if you're drafting a confidential business proposal, Perplexity AI won't store your prompts or responses if privacy mode is enabled. Here's how you can get Perplexity AI up and running on your Mac in just a few steps. Visit the official Perplexity AI website or macOS App Store and download the application. Test it. Ask it something simple, like, what's the best way to speed up a MacBook Pro? You'll see it in action right away. Want to take your usage to the next level? Here are a few tricks. Multitasking like a pro. Example: while researching for a presentation, ask Perplexity AI to summarize the top tech trends in 2024. Copy the summary directly into Keynote. Streamlining everyday tasks. If you're a student, use it to explain complex concepts. Example, can you simplify quantum mechanics? Perplexity. AI breaks it down in plain language. Combining it with macOS tools. Example, use Perplexity AI to create a to-do list template, then transfer it directly into the macOS Reminders app. Ask follow-up questions. Example, start with, what's the best way to budget for a trip? Then follow up with, how much does it cost to stay in Paris for a week? The conversation flows naturally. Now you've seen how Perplexity AI can become your go-to assistant for macOS. Here's my challenge for you. Download it today, and for the next week, use it for every task, whether it's work, study, or even personal errands. Then, come back here and comment on how it changed your workflow. And here's a twist. Share your most creative use case. The top 3 ideas will get featured in my upcoming video, where we'll push the boundaries of what's possible with Perplexity AI. Your input could inspire thousands to rethink how they use their Macs. So, what will you ask Perplexity AI first? Let's hear it in the comments.